Hello everyone, my name is Nicholas and welcome to a brand new video. This is a remake for the second episode on how to create your own CAD/MDT. This time it's going to be a remake for the homepage. A lot of people had issues with not knowing how to do the elements, the group, the pop-up, etc. So this video is for the people who want to learn how to do them. So starting off, we're gonna start making a top bar right here. Just go to elements, go to group, make it really tall so it can fit. There we go. Make sure it hits. Then click shift and that up arrow. There we go. Gonna have to make sure the color is black, a little bit transparent. Make the height a bit bigger. There we go. You're gonna go to text and put it in the middle. I'm gonna make the body style none, white. I'm gonna make it 24. Actually, no, make it 36. Just wait for it. There's a lot of fonts you have to choose from. I suggest Source Sans Pro 300. It's a really good font. In Edit Me, just click here, current user's username, and this will show the current user's username. And make it centered. There we go. I'm gonna copy that, copy paste. Just gonna put this right here. Gonna remove it. We're gonna scroll all the way down where it says current date, format as, and look for the perfect. I'm gonna choose Monday, April. There you go. Just double click it. Make sure you make it a little bit transparent on the white. Make it side and make it smaller. There you go. And let's just make it a bit fit. Alright, there we go. From there, we're gonna create a button. It's gonna be clock in. Change the style to none. Make sure it's white. Background none. It's gonna be, no, make it full. 36. It's better. The border style will be solid, white, roundness 10. It's like that. Now I suggest also to change the font in every single text you have so it all matches, which is good. There we go. I'm gonna copy Control C and Control V. Account. Oh no, that's not right. Account. There we go. Copy, paste. I suggest you can them together just like that for now. Then log out. Alright. So first, you're gonna click center it, then make it close to each other. Let them touch each other and click shift and the arrows. This one is the right arrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing here. Left arrow this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Now we're gonna go to the elements where it says repeating group. Click that and make a good box, a big box. Now make sure it's centered like that. Now we go to data, new type, announcement, create the new field, announcement, message, text, then announce by text create. Now make sure that's done. Click the announcement, do a search for announcement, close. Now we just center it, make the dots solid, go to the border style, solid, roundness 10. If you really want a roundness, you can go 20. This is how 20 looks like. I'm gonna keep it at 20, looks better. Now we're gonna scroll down, shift and the down arrow, copy paste, move this down here, and this is centered. We're gonna change this into public, public announcement. There you go. Just make sure they're all centered. There you go. Now, first we're going to do the pop-up, which is going to be for account. So make a long pop-up. There you go. Style to none. Make it black. A little bit transparent, not that much. Just, yeah, there you go. Perfect. 2.5. You can go 7 if you really want it to be blurry, but I suggest 2 or 2.5. In my case, I'll make it 2.5. It's better. Alright. Roundness is 10. You don't really have to do this, just keep it empty. It's a pop-up, it's not a repeating group, so. Alright, first we're gonna look for input. This is gonna be the Steam hex that we're gonna do right now. Center, copy. There you go. Now we're gonna delete this. It's gonna be current user's username, and then it should be text. This is disabled. Now we're gonna change the input style to none. Background, no need for background. Roundness 5. There you go. Well, let's just delete this and copy this one. I already did the style here, so it's better. Right. So if you go to data, I already have it created. So what you're gonna do is click the create feed, Steam hex, text, create. I already have created, so what you're gonna do here is gonna find current user, Steam hex. That's all you have to do. Now you can write here your Steam hex. There you go. And you're done with this one, basically. Now we're gonna go here, copy the button style, Control C, go into pop-up, Control V, make it a bit smaller, center it, go here, double click it, save info. I'm gonna make it 24. There you go. That should be better. Repeating group. Make a little box. It's gonna be a repeating group box. And go to data. Create a new type. Identifier. Create a new field. Current identifier. There you go. Gonna be text. Create. Now we're gonna go to user. Create a new field. Identifiers. It's gonna be scroll all the way down to define identifier. Make sure that this tick is actually enabled or it will never work. Create. Go to design. Change this into identifier and do a search for identifiers. There we go. Now fix the design. Solid. Make sure this is solid. Then you're gonna scroll all. You're gonna find border style. Solid. Roundness 10. And that's really it. Alright, after doing that, you're gonna have to add another button. Make it down here. Make it small a little bit. Save info. Make it save ID. copy the input. I'm gonna make it smaller. And it's gonna be, we're gonna delete that really quick. New identifier. There you go. Now we're gonna create another pop-up. Make sure to copy this, copy paste, delete that. Now we're just gonna do this too. I'm gonna make about 5 copies. Stick them with each other so we know where we're going. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna be username, email, password, new password, and confirm password. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure that 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. There you go. In the middle, save info. Make this smaller. Yeah, not that much, geez. Okay. Should be better. Now, current users, username. We're gonna delete that. We're gonna make it a content. Current users, username. Then current users, email. Here's gonna be the current password, new password, and the confirm password. There you go. Gonna click save info. And that's basically it. We just done the public announcement, the account. Now we're gonna do the little plugin, which shouldn't be a problem. It's again another pop-up. This time it's gonna be a wider pop-up. There you go. It's gonna be black. Now we're gonna add text. Select department. Style none. White, middle. Make it 36. Change the font. Source Pro. What is it? Source Sans Pro 300. And make it centered. Now to add an image, you're gonna look at elements till you find image under link, then shift and make a little box just like this. Alright, great. So I do not have the pop-ups at the moment, and let me just get them really quick. Alright, I'm back and I got the important department icons. Simply I'm gonna add them here. The Blaine County Sheriff, make it smaller, copy, paste. Then fire department, I copy, paste. The EMS, copy, paste. Then I'm gonna make another copy. The Highway Patrol, we can make another copy down here. It's gonna be the 911 call. I'm gonna make another copy. This one is gonna be the State Police. Then I'm gonna make another copy. This is the last copy, which will be for the citizen page. Now we're gonna take all of those and move them to the center. There we go. Make this centered. It's the one in the center. I'm gonna move this here. It's gonna be 80. 1, 2, 3. There you go. That's how you make the little pop-up. Now we're gonna make the last pop-up for the... Actually, no, we're done with the pop-ups now. Just gonna have the add the icons. So I'm gonna get an icon here. It's gonna be this settings icon. Change the icon color into white. Make it a little bit wider. There you go. Make it a little bit transparent. And great. Now we're gonna go to pop-up B. Look for an... Make it this small. Oh, okay. Then we're gonna look for a back button. This looks good. Gonna move this one here. And we're gonna change it into white, a little bit transparent, and done. So, starting with the codes, should be simple. Click lockout or log out. When the button, click account, log out the user. Then go here, go to page, index, and that will send them to the index page, which is the login page. That's done. Start a new workflow. Show element. It's gonna be showing the, I believe, pop-up A. There you go. And pop-up A will, if we click on the settings, start workflow, show, actually no, should hide first, then it shows. Well, it's gonna hide pop-up A first, then it's gonna show pop-up B. Yep, there you go. Now, you're gonna go to pop-up B, gonna click here, and this will hide pop-up B and show pop-up A. Let's see. There you go. And show pop-up A. Alright. So let's start. Let me just code this really quick. This will be simple. Just go to elements, action, show, pop-up C. Alright. We are like 50% done. And we go to pop-up A, click save info, start workflow, data things, make changes to a thing, current user, Steam hex, and it's gonna be your hex is valid, and that's all you have to do. Now, starting with the identifier, simple, like the last episode, it's gonna be make a text, always have like a little space here between the actual end, so we can add a trash can. Do not add it down here, because you don't have to, it's a repeating group. Only the first box is valid, the other ones shouldn't, because if you put it down here, it's not gonna work. And it's just gonna go behind the repeating group. Yeah, let's just go back. There you go. Gonna set that to none. White. 24 is good. And it's gonna be current cell users, current identifier. Now we're just gonna move it here. Shift and down arrow. We're gonna get an icon. It's gonna be the trash icon. Trash. Change that to red. Oh, whoops. There you go. That's really it with the identifier box. Now we're gonna click Save ID. Click. Now it's gonna go to data, create a new thing. It's gonna create a new identifier. It's gonna be current identifier. Your new identifier is valid, and that will create a new identifier. Now we're done with this blue box. I'm gonna click here. Go to pop-up B. We're gonna save and click the save info. I believe it should be update the user, the old password. Let's see. The current password is valid. New password is valid. Request a, yep, click that so you can confirm their password. Valid. And that's really it. We're gonna go here, make changes to user, current user, then it's gonna be username, and now we're just gonna scroll till we find, I believe this is it. Yep, there you go. Input's valid. The input is gonna be the username. The password, let me just change that real quick, make it not disabled. Now we're gonna change the input to white. Make sure they're all white, so you can actually see what you're entering. Okay. Just gonna go back to the start workflow. Then it's gonna reset input. Then go to account, gonna log out the user. Then it's gonna take them to the index page, and that's really it. Okay. Let me make sure that they're all coded. Good. Alright. Now, we're gonna do the public announcement. It's also simple. Just gonna make it wide enough that it fits the whole box. I'm gonna click here, make it wide enough so it doesn't take the other spaces. Body style gonna be white. Now that's too big. Gonna make it centered, and where's the dot? It's gonna be current cell and announced by. Then we're gonna click enter. Then current cell, announcement message, and there you go. So that's basically it. We have finished doing the whole thing. I'm gonna go to data. I go to announcement and create a new announcement. It's gonna be by me, of course. If you make like a little input where it says where you can input the announcement message and you click enter, it should save the announced by automatically. So because I'm doing it on the create a new database entry, so it wouldn't register as a username. So you would have to do that manually. Anyways, I'm gonna make a little small welcoming message. Continue my name is CAD/MDT. Hope you enjoy it so far. And there you go. Create. Done. So we're gonna click preview and move this here. Right. Let's just fix this really quick because no one wants that there. It's gonna make it a little bit wider, and that's all you have to do basically. Update. Can't wait for it. Yep, there you go. The clock in works. Account. I did a mistake last time where you could just spam the identifier. You can't even delete it too. Okay. It's pretty simple, to be honest. Fix little problems that you see every time. Well, we're gonna go here. We're gonna set up the trash first. It's gonna be data thing, delete thing, current cell identifier. Now here, this shouldn't be empty, and you cannot spam it anymore. Make sure that when you click here, it's gonna reset input right away. So it should be fixed now. Let's see. Okay, account, delete all this. Let's just say 1K34. Nicholas E. Save. There you go. Can't even spam it. Oh, I didn't do that. Well, you're gonna have to go here. Make sure this is not disabled, but it shouldn't be empty. There you go. click here, update this page. Make sure you always test your website before launching it. Just make sure nothing goes wrong. I'm gonna change that to Nicholas Edward. And the issue with copying is that sometimes you also copy the little things that you really don't want there. So for example, this input is disabled. That's a big problem, and that shouldn't be there. Okay, let's click update. Just click here, change the name. Oh, whoops. Can I update it without that? I have to enter the existing password. I believe it's demo, and demo 1, demo 1. I believe so. Oh, okay, no. Well, it's gonna be demo, I guess. Demo. Your account has been successfully updated. Okay. It's gonna log me out. Log me in. And there we go. We have done it. We have finished the making of the homepage. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below. If it helped you, like the video, and if you want more, just make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.